friends, in this video I am going to solve a question from GATE 2016. So let us see the question. The question is, consider the following two statements P and Q. The statement P is, given a matrix M with entries 111, 124, 139, then M is singular. And statement Q is, let S be diagonalizable matrix. If T is a matrix such that S plus 5T is identity matrix, then T is diagonalizable. So let us see whether P is true or false. So we have given a matrix. So look at determinant of the matrix M. So determinant M is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 9, which is equal to minus 12 minus 9 minus 4 plus 3 minus 2, which is same as 6 minus 5 plus 1, which is 2, which is not 0. So the determinant M is not equal to 0. This implies M is not singular. Therefore, statement P is false. Now, for statement Q, we have given that S is diagonalizable matrix. So, S is similar to a diagonal matrix. So, this implies there exists some matrix P such that S is equal to P inverse dP, where this D matrix is consisting of eigenvalues of S and P matrix consists of eigenvectors of S. Now, S plus 5T is equal to identity. It is given. So, this implies 5T is equal to identity minus S. Now, you write identity matrix as P inverse identity matrix times P, and we know that S is equal to P inverse dP. So, which is equal to P inverse identity matrix minus D minus into P. Now, therefore 5T is equal to P inverse identity minus D into P, where P is an invertible matrix and this 5 is just a scalar. So we have written T is similar to I minus D. Now D is a diagonal matrix, identity matrix is a diagonal matrix, so I minus D is also a diagonal matrix. So this implies T is similar to diagonal matrix I minus D. So this implies T is diagonalizable. Hence, option Q is true. And we have asked about the statement which are true. So the correct option is C. Only Q is correct. Thank you.